the Fourfold Breath. Stand with good posture, yet comfortably, with your hands at your sides. It is not necessary to enter a deep state of relaxation. Merely allow your tensions to depart as much as they will. Close your eyes and visualize the skin on your body. Consider the millions of pores all over it. Notice your breath and begin to see the pores expand with each breath in and each breath out, letting air in and out of the body. Feel the air penetrating and dissolving into the deepest recesses. With each breath in, breathe into the belly first, feeling it expand as deeply as the lower abdomen. Gradually, as the lungs fill, allow the chest to expand as well, all the way to the top of the rib cage, such that the shoulders almost lift. In this manner, breathe in to the count of 4. Hold the breath for a 4 count without blocking the throat. Breathe out to the count of 4. Hold the emptiness without blocking the throat for 4 counts. As you continue to repeat this rhythm, extend the porous nature of your skin into the depths of the body. See the flesh and bone as porous through and through, like a sponge. Feel the air wafting gently through the depths of your being, nourishing every cell within. The Lesser Banishing Ritual of the Pentagram. The Qabbalistic Cross. Standing, face east, close your eyes. Visualize your feet firmly planted on the earth in Malkuth. Now see yourself growing, filling the room. Larger and larger with each breath, you grow. Larger than the ceiling, into the sky, expanding larger with each breath, until the galaxy is resting at your feet. As you expand into the universe, visualize the white brilliance of Kether above your head. With your index and middle fingers pointed out and the rest closed, bring down the light as it touches your forehead. Vibrate. Ata. Visualize the light illuminating a spear from your third eye, moving your hand from your forehead and then to your solar plexus and pointing down to your feet. Let the beam of light stretch to Malkuth and vibrate. Malkuth. Touch the right shoulder and vibrate. Vagaua. Visualize the light illuminating the white spear there. Move your hand to your left shoulder and vibrate. Vagadula. Visualize the light illuminating a white sphere at your left shoulder, with your body illuminating a white cross from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, and from your right shoulder to your left shoulder. Hold that visualization and press your palms together at the breast as if to pray, and vibrate. Sustain this visualization of the white cross emanating from you and within you. The formulation of the pentagrams. Still facing east, draw a banishing earth pentagram. Stab the center of the pentagram with the sign of the Emperor and vibrate. Yo hey va hey. See the pentagram ignite in blue flames. Turning from the east to the south, draw a white line. Drawing another banishing earth pentagram and vibrate. Adonai. And see the pentagram ignite in blue flames as you stab the center with the sign of the Emperor. Continue to draw the white line circle to the west, drawing a banishing earth pentagram, and as you stab the center with the sign of the Emperor, vibrate. See the pentagram ignite in blue flames, continuing to draw the line of white light to the north, and another banishing earth pentagram, and as you stab the center with the sign of the Emperor, vibrate. Agala. See the pentagram ignite in blue flames. Complete the magic circle by returning the white line to the east. Evoking the archangels. While holding the visualization, the circle with the blue pentagrams, raise the arms to form a cross. See the archangel of air. His hair is blonde, his skin is fair, and his robe is yellow with flashes of violet. He stands atop a hill, with the wind coming from the cloud-patched sky behind him. And he holds the wand of Hermes in his right hand. Feel the wind on your face and say before me, Raphael. Visualize Gabriel, the archangel of water, standing behind you in the west. His robe is blue, flashing with orange. He stands in the shallows of a gushing spring. He holds a silver cup in his left hand. His hair is light brown, and his skin is fair. Beads of dew cling to and roll down the sides of his garments. Feel the moisture wafting in from the west, and say, behind me, Gabriel. In the south, see Michael, the great archangel of fire. His robe is brilliant scarlet, flashing green. He stands in the desert, and fire rises up from the burning sands around his feet. He holds upright in his right hand a flaming iron sword. His hair is black, his skin is dark tan. Feel the intense heat radiating from the south and say, at my right hand, Mikael. In the North Sea area, the Archangel of Earth. His robes are black, flashing with green. He stands on black soil. Ripe wheat springs up from behind him. He holds sheaves of wheat in his left hand. His hair is black. His skin is fair. His eyes are intense, large, and dark. See cattle grazing in a field behind him. And beyond them, a forest. And beyond the forest, mountains. And say, at my left hand, Uriel. Holding the visualization of the blue pentagrams and the archangels, visualize a 6-rayed star inside your torso. A red equilateral triangle of fiery masculine energy pointing up, intercepted with an inverted blue equilateral triangle of watery feminine energy, and proclaim, for about me flame the pentagrams, and within me shines the 6-rayed star. The middle pillar. Now face west. Direct your attention to the sphere of light about an inch above the crown of your head. It is about half the diameter of a basketball, and all subsequent spheres you visualize will be the same size. Vibrate the Hebrew God name, Vibrate it a total of 4 times. Feel the vibration as though it comes from that sphere. Feel the whole universe harmonize with the sound. See a beam of light descend into the throat and form a sphere there of white light. Vibrate 4 times. Yehovah Elohim. See the beam of light descend into the center of the torso to the solar plex, behind and slightly beneath the base of the sternum. See a form a sphere of white light brilliance there. Vibrate 4 times the God name, Aeo. Allow the beam to descend through the abdomen to the genitals and groin and form a brilliant sphere there. Vibrate 4 times. Shaddai El-Kai. Allow the beam to descend to the feet, forming a spear half above the ground and half below the ground, vibrating 4 times. Adonai Hares. Now visualize and feel the whole pillar of light traversing the height of your body. Feel it firmly rooted in the void over your head and firmly planted in the earth beneath your feet. This light is the essence of manifestation. It is carried forth into manifestation via darkness. Feel the density of your body showing forth the brilliance within, like darkness bringing forth light. Turn the attention to the sphere at your feet. Inhale as you draw a shimmering stream of white light up in an arc along the right side of your body and into the sphere above your head. Pause as it disappears into the brilliance. Then exhale as you allow the stream down to the left side of your body into the sphere at your feet. Repeat this cycle slowly 3 more times. Perform the same circulation of light again, drawing it this time up the back and down the front of your body 4 times. Now draw the energy up from the feet through the center of the body into the sphere above the head. Pause for a moment, and then allow the energy to explode from above like a fountain and rain down into the sphere at your feet through the established channels. Do this circulation 4 times. See the energy of the middle pillar expanding gently, saturating an oval-shaped space around your body. Feel yourself floating in this light. The foundation of your being is pure brilliance, on which you are suspended.